relationship as a man of God, I want to
Yes.
first take you back and ask you, what were the qualities you looked for in a man?
Well, by then, ignorantly,
As a girl. You are a girl, you're a young girl.
Of course, one
every
of the
girl
things
has
that
dreams.
I'd say he's supposed to be
Born again.
a born-again Christian,
true.
filled with the Holy Spirit, and from Christ Embassy.
Oh, yeah.
Shouldn't be from any other ministry. That one was
Welcome
it.
to the world.
It was not a
Many of us.
discussion. It wasn't a discussion. He must be from Christ Embassy, but he must be, you know, with somebody who is a businessman.
You had already met
of course,
someone.
good looking. Of course, good looking, six pack. Those were the things right there. Good looking.
You even
and
got
all
to
that.
6 packs.
Yeah, of course.
I thought 6 packs
person.
have been in this.
No, even by then.
Hey, you had 6 packs.
And he must be, you know, loving and all that. Loving gym. I don't know by then what was the meaning of all that. He was supposed to be loving gym. But of course, I wanted a man who is a prayer warrior, who would help me to pray. And of course, together raise our family as a God-fearing family. So that was the things that I was looking at. And of course, a man who is a little bit dark. I didn't want a brown man. Being I'm light, I never wanted to do anything with a light man.
Like, seriously?
You know? So those are the things. But
and there we have our bishop beginning to pray for you, with you, encourage
of course.
you. And
so I remember after 1 year, and that day I'll never forget it, because I remember he called me around midnight, and it's like, I want to talk to you.
Huh?
And there's a way he talks on phone. When you are not patient, you can just brush him off. And it was like, I really want to talk to you. I was like, okay. So I thought maybe there's something I've seen in the spirit. There's something else you can. So I gave it an ear. I listened. I said, okay, go ahead, Bishop. It's like, do you want to be a queen?